to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you for watching. So today's video is going to be a review and demo of the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carli Bybel palettes. This is what it looks like and this is the inside. It is so pretty. I have not been this excited for an Anastasia palette or a palette in general and an influencer collab in a very long time. When this launched, I was posting on my Instagram stories about how obsessed with this I was and that I had to have it. I actually got this a while ago. I've been testing it out for a few weeks and so now I'm ready to just demo and review this real quickly for you guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want to hear about my thoughts on this palette and see what look I come up with, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with some swatches. This palette, it's, you know, back to like the smooth plastic packaging, or cardboard vinyl type of packaging. I don't know exactly, that her past palettes have been, not like the velvet cased ones that she's been doing lately, which I'm not the biggest fan of that. And it's just white with like pink pearls all around here. It's just like really pretty and very like what Carli's aesthetic is. And then when you open it up, it comes with the regular double-sided Anastasia brush that comes with every other palette, a mirror, and then the regular 14 pan palette. So this palette has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and the rest are shimmers. So I'm going to swatch the top row real quick. This first shade is Bowley. It's like a light, probably not even gonna be able to see that on camera. It's just like a light pink shimmer. And then the next shade is a matte called Bybel. Just a kind of like light medium mauve shade. The next is like a duochrome shimmer. Oh my god, that's a horrible swatch. It's like a duochrome purple blue shimmer called Mandala. Is Libra. This is also kind of like a duochrome shimmer, kind of like a bronzy, purpley, blackish type of shade. It's very unique. Next is Jode. This is another shimmer. It's like a blue silver type of shimmer. And then next is OA. Another blue shimmer, just a little bit deeper. Ugh, sorry, this swatch. I'm so horrible at swatching. So it's just like a sparkly blue. I don't know, I feel like Jode and OA, they're very similar. I kind of like Jode better. But I feel like, I don't know, you could have probably taken one out and put something different in there because they are very, very similar to one another. And then the last shade in the top row is a matte brown. Oh my god. One day I'll learn how to swatch properly. It's a little more cool toned, called Bowie. Now for the second row, the first shade is called Bear. It's just like a cream shade. Next is Moo. This is like a really pretty champagne shimmer. Is Chai. It's like a matte, kind of like orangey, burnt brown. Next is Cindy. It's like a light peach matte. This is Steve. It's like a matte red. This Aura, I don't know. It's like a pink shimmer. And the last shade is called My Angels. And it's just like a golden shimmer. So that is the whole second row swatched. I just primed my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I'm going to set that down with the shade Bear. Don't know what kind of look I want to do. I guess I'll try and match my lip color. I'm wearing the Carli Bybel and Il Makiage lip liner and lipstick in the shades the Bybel lipstick and the Bybel lip liner and Serious lipstick. I'm gonna take the Anastasia brush, the fluffy side, and go in first with Chai and just buff this all in the crease. I'm just gonna do a really simple look. I think we've all tried out enough Anastasia palettes to know that her shadows and her formula are some of the best. And this palette is no different. I have been using this for a while now. So I know that everything in this palette just works really well. It's very blendable. Everything's pigmented. There's no shades that I feel like are like duds. So yeah, this is like a really, really nice palette. It's easy to work with, and I think the colors are all like super unique, but also there's colors in here that are really good for everyday use as well. So then I'm just going to go in with the shade Bybel also in my crease. I'm just going to go in with like a big fluffy brush and just kind of blend those two colors together. I think I want to take either Libra or Jode. I guess I'll go with Libra because Jode doesn't really match my lipstick. But that's such a cool color. I'm gonna go in with the shade Libra and pack that all over my lid. And then focusing a little bit more of this on the outer corner. Just like deepen it up here. I'm gonna take a little precision brush and go in with the shade Mandala and pack some of this on more of the inner part of my lid. There is quite a bit of fallout with this palette, which I can work with. I don't mind. I feel like this is more so than with other Anastasia palettes. I'm not sure, but I could be wrong about that. I haven't really been regularly using her palettes, so I don't really remember how they are with fallout. So just for the lower lash line, mix Bybel and Chai together and just kind of buff that all over my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take the shade Bully and use this to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Okay, so my final thoughts are that I love this palette. I don't remember if I mentioned this, but it is $45, which is pretty, it's up there, but that's the average for Anastasia palettes, so it's nothing surprising. Again, the quality is just like every other Anastasia palette, like super, super blendable, pigmented, creamy, amazing shadows, both mattes and shimmers. What I like about this palette is the colors, especially the shimmers, are just really unique. I love this red shade too. I know I didn't use it. I see myself getting a lot of use out of this palette, so it is something that I would recommend. And the packaging is beautiful. I'm glad it's not a velvet case because I really don't like those. So other than that, that's really all I have to say about this palette. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.